Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can install iTunes on Macos Sonoma. So the thing is, Apple has changed the system of iTunes and you won't be getting the old iTunes that you used to have back in your days. Even if you download the old iTunes from the App Store, it's not going to download. Even if you download it on your system, on your MacBook, it's not going to execute because Apple is going to show you an error which says that this version of your operating system cannot play or cannot open this application, and you have to downgrade your operating system, which I know one can't and one shouldn't. So we have a problem here. And in this video, I have the solution to this problem of yours. What I'm going to tell you is how you can install and how you can use the old versions of iTunes on your macOS Sonoma. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to go here to Google Chrome and you have to go to this website github.com/core-sean895/retroactive. I would advise you that you pause the video and just copy this right here. And when you go here, you can see there is a hyperlink to install this app by the name of Retroactive. Now, Retroactive is actually an alternative of the old iTunes. And when you download it, it's going to go here. And when you click it open, I know that if you're using a MacBook, your system is not going to let it install. So what you need to do for that, you need to go here to System Settings. And then you have to go here to Privacy and Security. And when you're here, you have to go down and you have to click this option, allow applications downloaded from App Store and identified developers, because the operating system of Mac and the security system does not let you install applications from third-party website or other sources rather than the App Store. So clicking this will allow you to install applications that are outside the App Store. So through this, when you click it, you'll be able to access Retroactive app, and Retroactive app is actually the older version of iTunes. So this was it for today. I hope you liked the video. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.